Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now you are watching a video of property. In this video, we cover explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities of the hotel. And there is a nearby attractions and landmark also.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen and check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of